Usimbut minti rangba Meghalaya Bah Prestone Tynsong mandak sniulai tu haidkot tuging do tau an Meghalaya bon peit bniah jingsiew by ding elektrik lingba Meghalaya Power Distribution Corporation Limited Payment Gateway. Hak bedai bakani jing udkot kiying do bar uba Albert Nongrum jong seng san hima sima ko new top awakening movement Rapanjing Shana usimbut minti rangba ba ka daw ba ki haban siutam hadu andrutinka the law ka jingsiew ya ka boarding electric.
MEPTCL pays the transaction charge of the payment gateway, while the consumer pays the charges levied by the bank with which the consumer is banking. B. Sir, the tariff for domestic category includes fixed charge and 2 energy charge. When there is no consumption of energy, only the fixed charge is being billed. C. Sir, loan is taken to cover capital cost for project implementation and working capital loan for power purchase and other expenditure. D. Sir, it is not a fact that MECL is not generating any revenue right from 1975. MECL and the erstwhile MSEB depends on the revenue generated to meet its expenses. E. Sir, delay payment charge is being levied if payment is not received after due date. As per MSERC Electricity Supply Code 2018, if the amount of the bill inclusive of arrears, if any, is not paid in full within the due date, a delayed payment charge of 1% on the outstanding amount, but exclusive of government electricity duty, will be levied for each 30 days or part thereof.
So may I get more clarification by putting a question, like since when this pavement gateway has been implemented?
Sir, in fact, the payment gateway was initiated way back in 2014.
Honorable Deputy Chairman, sir, may I know how much the charge about paying through this pavement gateway?
The charge, I don't get the question. May I please repeat the question?
I mean to get a clarification about how much charge through online payment through a pavement gateway. How much is charge extra?
Sir, I think the charges is depending upon the bankers, because the customer needs to have your own bank. So when online transfer takes place, I think that is the responsibility of the consumer individually with the banker.
Sir, because as per my knowledge, on every bill extra they are charging 6 rupees for every light bill. So if that is the case, then every light bill there must be extra charge by 6 rupees. Then suppose now if 1 lakh a consumer, then it will come 6 lakhs. So may I know, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, whether he's aware about this or not?
Sir, yes, I'm aware about this. But as I've said, it is, it's the wisdom of the customer. Because you have your own bank account. If you want to go for payment gateway, means you have to go through bank. And then what happened is this commission is not being charged by the MECL. It is being charged by the concerned bank wherever the customer opened their bank account.